Hey guys, it's Alex, and I'm here to do another K-pop album unboxing. And today is actually a really exciting day because today I got two packages from K-pop Town. They're two separate orders, and I'm semi-surprised that they came on the same day. The smaller one, I bought it. The smaller one, I got the second most expensive shipping method, which was 7 to 15 business days. And the bigger one, I got the express shipping, which is 3 to 7. And the smaller one actually shipped out first than the big one. But either way, I'm really excited. I'm going to do these in two separate videos. I think I'm going to do the small one first and then the bigger one. But the bigger one has what I'm really excited about. You guys are going to see. It's been the one thing that's been killing me that I wanted to have. But yeah, let's just go into it and let's get started.
Okay, so both orders should have about 4 to 5 albums. Actually, the bigger one might have more than 5, but this one definitely has 5. And this one was my second order. I ordered later on the same week that I ordered the bigger one, but this one was the first one to be shipped out. Oh god. Get all those in. So a few of these are kind of like old albums. There's a couple of these are kind of old albums anyway.
So, for the most part, I got AOA's 5th single, Miniskirt. FX's 4 Walls, the white version. And I believe I got Crystal. I got History's 5th mini album, Him. This is the Spade version. I got Kata's In Love, their 7th mini, and Kata's 6th mini, Day and Night. So those were the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 albums I got from the first K-Pop Town package. If you guys want to see the individual unboxings, there'll be a link in the description below, or stay tuned at the end. I'll put the link for the first video up at the end. But anyway, hopefully you guys enjoy the little unboxings, and I'll put the link to K-Pop Town down in the description box. Yeah, if you guys have any comments or questions about the albums, leave them down below.